The actor Vikrant Massey recently spoke about feeling burnt out and the need for making time for family. He thought he wanted to take a break and he really wanted some me time so that he could come back rejuvenated once he was away for some time. This kind of thought process, the need to take time out for yourself, the need to address yourself, your own mental health, your physical health, and time to be spent with your family members has taken precedence for him much more than that of his film commitments. Barely a few months ago, we had an interview with Vikrant Massey, that is during the time of release of his film 12th Fail, which is a phenomenal success. And that is when we asked him about his state of mind, about how he was feeling given the success of his film. And he said he was very, very happy. He was truly happy. But then the next day he had to start shooting for the next film. So which means he said that there really is no time to even celebrate. That predicament is, I think, reflecting in his decision to take time out, take time off from his film commitments right now. That also brings us to another anecdote that I would like to recall. The week was in an interview with actor Randeep Hooda some time back during the release of his film Swatantra Veer Savarkar, and that time Hooda told us how he was literally on pills to ward off anxiety and stress which came with shooting the film and post and pre-production as well. Hooda was in no uncertain terms. Hooda told us that had he been given opportunity anytime, like if given an opportunity in the future, he would definitely not do this again. This brings us to the most important aspect, that being burnt out is not something to do with just students or and their exams or any particular area of sphere of work. It is everywhere, and the stress and the anxiety is felt by all of us. We spoke to psychologist Dr. Nirmi Shah, and she said that one needs to very, very, very urgently address one's mental health as well as physical health, and also spend a lot of quality time with one's family members, especially given the full stressed lifestyles that we are leading as of now. So let's hope that once Massey comes back, he comes back rejuvenated and to enthrall all of us with his immaculate and impeccable talent. Thank you.